बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करते हैं आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की मैं अपनी इस वीडियो में आप सबके लिए फर्स्ट ईयर के इंग्लिश न्यू एडिशन पोएम नंबर 4 जो कि यूनिट नंबर 11 पे दोज विंटर संडेज इसके एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लेके आई हूँ। मैंने अपनी कल की वीडियो में इस पोएम के स्टैंजा की एक्सप्लेनेशन विद रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट अपलोड किया है, उसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी। इसके साथ साथ जो पोएम नंबर 1 है यूनिट नंबर 3 पे अ बर्ड केम डाउन द वॉक, और यूनिट नंबर 6 पे पोएम नंबर 2 द इकोइंग ग्रीन। इसी तरह यूनिट नंबर 9 पे फ्रीडम पोएम नंबर 3। इन तमाम पोएम्स के स्टैंजा की एक्सप्लेनेशन विद रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट और एक्सरसाइज के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स की वीडियो मैंने अपलोड कर दी है, आप मेरे चैनल पर विजिट करके देख सकते हैं। तो आज हम पोएम नंबर 4 करेंगे, उसके एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, What is Robert Haddon's attitude towards his father's sacrifices in the poem? Answer: Robert Haddon did not thank his father at that time. Now he feels sorry for not valuing his father's quiet sacrifices. He admires them now but also feels guilty. Question number 2. How does the speaker's viewpoint change from childhood to adulthood? Support your answer with evidence from the text. Answer: in childhood, the speaker did not pay any heed to his father's efforts. In adulthood, he realized his love and services. Then he regretted not valuing his love earlier. This is clear when he says, "What did I know of love's austere and lonely offices?" Question number 3. Do you think the poet is critical of his younger self? Why or why not? Answer: yes, the poet criticizes his younger self. He did not value his father's love. Now he regrets not thanking him for his silent care. Question number 4. How does Robert Haddon use imagery and symbolism to convey complex emotions in the poem? Answer: Robert Haddon uses strong images and symbols to show deep emotions. Cold mornings and cracked hands show the father's hard work. Lighting fire and polishing shoes are signs of his silent love. Question number 5. Find an example of personification in the poem and explain its effect. Answer: an example of personification is I had waked and hear the cold splintering. Breaking the cold makes a noise like a person. It shows how harsh the winter was and how much effort the father made to warm the house. Question number 6. Why is the poem written in free verse? How does this enhance its meaning? Answer: the poem is in free verse to show natural feelings and memories. This simple style matches the father's quiet love and makes the child's regret more touching. Question number 7. Explain the significance of the title Those Winter Sundays. Why does the poet use the plural form Sundays? Answer: the title shows many cold Sundays when the father cared for his family. The plural form Sundays shows that his love and sacrifices happen again and again. Question number 8. Why does the speaker use the term blue, black, cold to describe the winter morning? Answer: the speaker uses the term blue, black, cold to show how harsh the winter morning was. It helps the reader feel the bitter cold the father faced while caring for his family. उम्मीद करते हैं आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन के बटन को ज़रूर दबाइएगा ताकि मेरी नई आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।